To the agricultural sector, where farmers are said to benefit from free spraying kits from CMC Motors in partnership with the New Holland Agriculture. The collaboration aims at enhancing agricultural safety and sustainability among smallholder farmers. The move seeks to safeguard the health and lives of farmers and workers involved in pesticide and herbicide spraying.
Pesticide and herbicide spraying is crucial for crop protection and yield enhancement, but handling these harmful substances without proper safety gear poses the risk of skin irritation, respiratory issues and other health complications. Agricultural machinery firm CMC Motors has partnered with the New Holland Agriculture on a safety gear distribution initiative to safeguard the health of farmers.
We realized as a company that most of our farmers lack the adequate knowledge to be able to farm profitably. And one of the key statistics that we have to look at that are very concerning is that 60% of the world's arable land is in Africa. We have the second highest rainfall patterns in the world. We also have the youngest labor force in the world. But then we are the most hungry continent. We are the people who are the poorest in the world. So if you fix agriculture, you fix our economy, you fix the livelihoods of people.
CMC and New Holland Agriculture will be distributing full kits free to the top-performing spray service providers across the country.
We've been going around to farmers through what they call farmer service centers, FSCs, and we've been doing farm clinics with FTMA, which allows us to teach farmers about climate-smart and conservation agriculture, of which safe spraying is one of the main topics. We're teaching farmers how to identify the correct pesticides and herbicides, how to correctly use, how to protect themselves when they're using these chemicals, and also how to safely dispose.
The project aligns closely with SDG 12 by promoting responsible consumption and production, SDG 8 by bolstering decent work and economic growth, and SDG 3 by prioritizing good health and well-being.